So what's up? Hello, bro. But why? Hello, sea captive. Hello, bro. But why are you on the short stream? There is a full size stream also, bro. So, welcome, my boys. So I really tired of my messy code. So sometime today, I've already tried to understand finally meta tables and OOP, because really I don't like how my code looks like now, and I wanna make it well organized. Hello, hello, bro. There is a full size stream. You're on the vertical one. See captive, bro. Hello. So today I wanna understand OOP in meta tables. Finally, I'm already tired of that. I want to use it in my work, really, because there is a lot of code and I don't like that I can't well organize that. I'm really tired of that. So let's do that today, my boys. One second. So there is a full size stream, don't forget about that. So I try to explain ChatGPT for me how I can use that for my example. And looks like I close to understand how it works, because I want to create like a class for our survivors. Did I just join the stream to see you using AI? Yeah. So as I understand, I can create the two classes for a survivor and for the monster, and I can create one more classes. What I'm trying to do, I'm really tired of my messy code. I wanna use OOP and finally understand that, because really yesterday I faced a lot of problems with my code, and it's very difficult to handle that. And so I want to create two classes, survivors and monsters, like just let me show. Wait, you have the shorts and videos stream? Yeah, there's two streams, so one shorts, this is vertical one, and one full size stream. And also I have a Twitch stream, so you can also watch me on Twitch if you want. So I watched a lot of videos about OOP, but it's very difficult because I don't understand how to use in my cases that. So that's why I decided to try to help ChatGPT for that. And looks like I understand how I can use that. So if I understand, we can just create the class like two classes, like survivors and monster, and inside that, like, let me show, and each class for each our survivor, like ninja class and tank class, and just make like methods for them, and we can create all this stuff in the modules. Yo, hello. Cloudy ChatGPT. This is what are you talking about in Discord, Cloudy? Yeah, but So Cloudy is far superior. To make all this code that I write to be gray color so it doesn't be used. Wait, how to square brackets and to make all the codes that I write to be gray color so it doesn't be used. Yeah, you can use minus minus and square brackets. Okay, let's try that. One second, guys. How's the game going? Great, great, bro. Thank you. Hello, guys. Who's new? Oh, there is coding and development categories. So let's go. Label. I wanna grade the code because I want to save my torus table for a while. Yeah, you can use the same thing you write here. Minus minus and square brackets. Yeah, you can use that. The awesome thing about Cloudy is that in the desktop version you can give custom persistent context and change writing style of the model, which really helps out. What is custom persistent context? What's that? I have playable characters in my game, survivors and monsters. Okay, what I write down here. I have for survivors. I have to I didn't know you had a Twitch channel. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Hi, my favorite developer. Thank you, bro. Hello, guys. One of them, my favorite is Brawl Dev. Thank you, bro. Hello, yo. What's up? Hello, bro. Welcome, guys. I have two. I have two survivors. Ninja and tank. I have to not I don't know, bro, just try it out. Just try it. I don't. Oh yeah, you probably need two. Yeah, you need two square brackets for that. Like first one. You can give context that will persist in between different sessions. For example, you can make it always use low plus RobloxStudio as a standard start. Oh, really? What the hell? That's great, bro. That's great. Okay, that's cool. Yo, hello. So, okay, I have two survivors, Ninja and Tank. And when player open the crate, example, Ninja get random stats for him for it. Health range between 30, 50 and speed between 30, 60. How I can use OOP in Roblox Studio in Luau here and explain OOP here by using this By the way, do you have give me a link in Discord game for meme tower defense open to oh bro, yeah, of course, sorry, I forget about that. Sorry, I forget yesterday about that. 1 second, guys. Hi bro, hello guys. So 1 second, need to do something here. Said hi, hello. What are you doing? I'm making a game like hide and seek with random abilities for survivors each level. There is a pinned message in the chat, guys, who's new, and there's 4 minutes video what this game about. If you want, you can watch. But in general, this is hide and seek with random abilities for survivors each level. So you, as survivor, collect XP orbs all over the map, and monster chasing you who also is player and tries to kill along 5 minutes. But by the way, guys, today Mooncat helped me with creating a new aims for the game. Like I have new concept, because just be alive like 5 minutes, this is boring. We need some tasks for our players, like in Dead by Daylight, for example, but not like so. I have some different concept for that, and it will be more interesting, I think. Why is your name Professor Pence? Because just so, bro. Is the player getting HP is integer or in steps like 20, 25? Integer, just integer. Anyway, from for example, from 80 to 100, and it can be like 81, 85, 99, something like so. Hi, said hi. Hello. You good yet, bro? Thank you. Hello. Hello, hello. What does mean tower defense open test? Not open test. This is all the same things. What's that? Probably I need to disable that. Just let's see. I'm the only viewer right now. No. Some guys on the short stream. So okay. Let's publish Roblox S. I'm really tired of so messy code, really, because yesterday I imagined like I have only 2 survivors now and there is a lot of code already here, and I imagine if I have like 10 survivors later, it'll be really so difficult to develop this game. I'm really tired of such a big pieces of code. And I finally wanted to understand this is meta table, because I want to know how it works, and OOP, because I understand this is useful and it's easier to handle that and control all the game, and I'm very interested to use that. So let me see captive. I sent link in the Discord for you. Try to join here. See captive. Try to join here. Look here, this is you. Yeah, right? I think yeah. So try to join if you can, and tell me if there are some issues. Should work. Later, can you share the Roblox ill? What do you mean? What do you mean? I want to copy something if you want. What you mean, Roblox? Like tower defense or what? I think guys, I'll make my memes tower defense open source in some days, if you want, of course. There is not the best code, of course, but maybe it will help to see the concepts, some concepts I use in that game, because now I see that project that there is a lot of issues here, and I need to write it completely, but at the beginning this is not a bad project. I want to copy the lobby and game. Yeah, but the one thing, I remove all my models from here. The one thing which I made on my own. But in lobby, all models except towers, this is not mine. So this is from toolbox. So yeah, but in the lobby, I replace all the towers for simple ones maybe. And because I wanna use my models which I made on my own, in my own projects. So but the rest you can see there is a, by the way, I made rejoin function, which really was hard thing for me. Like it saves if you play, for example, with your friend and he left, maybe because of internet connection. If he left, he can rejoin during 5 minutes, and he saves his data, and he even gets the money until he rejoins. So I'm very proud that I made this thing here. So maybe it will be useful for some of you, but a bit later, guys. Remember me if I forget about that. Like I don't know, maybe in a couple of weeks I do that. You better encoding and everything. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. But no, not like so. I credited you, but if you don't want, it's okay. There is no need, bro. There is no need. Just I think I can make it open source because maybe it will help for some of you to see how I made this project. Because compared to GNOME code, I use some things here, like I store. Let me show, by the way. I also use that, and I like it. That's I do. I make a configs like I make in my current game also things like so. So here's, for example, tower config, and here's all stats for config. Like let's look. For example, policeman, and here is policeman level 1, policeman level 2. Here is a damage, cooldown, range, and so price, and so on. So you store just GNOME, because GNOME code store all the values inside each model. This is they're very hard to when you balance the whole game. Imagine you need to open your folder, find your current tower, go in his configs, change each value. This is very hard. This is better, like you just change numbers here, go to the next, and you rebalance the whole your game very fast. So and your towers just empty models without any things, like that's it. And also you can convert your I converted this into a package, and there is a package link. What's this? Maybe you don't know, some of you. This is if I publish, if I make some changes here, I hit publish to package. I have the same script in my current game, not in this place, the place like main game where we teleported. And when I hit publish to package, all the data updates from here, updates in that script also, so they connected, and in all your places it's updated. But I'm not sure if it's updated during all games. I don't know. Maybe yeah, maybe in all games, or no, I don't know. But in I'm sure in one game it's absolutely, I'm absolutely sure that it updates, and also it will be very helpful for some of you. So like this. You're good. Said hi, hello, thank you. Hi, I gotta go. Okay. Hi Profan. Hello default. So okay, let's see what we have here. So class and objects. Class blueprint, character ninja tank. Object instance of class like ninja created from ninja new. So class definition for ninja. Characters inherit from parent classes. In your option, do you think a scripter is as important as a builder, modeler, or any other roles in a game? In your option, do you think a scripter is as important as a builder? Yeah, I think scripts are more important because let's make let's think about that. Do you accept Roblox? Yeah, link in the description for donations. Let's imagine, for example, you are a scripter and you make a game which have only like a cubes, I don't know, with which is jumping, and you anyway can create interesting game by using, for example, only blocks in your game if you're a scripter. But imagine if you are just a builder, you don't know how to script, you can't create the game at all. So that's it. I mean, if you are a solo developer, but if you work in the team, of course, all these parts are very important, because if a lot of players they look at visuals, of course, they need to see if they see cool models, if they see cool buildings. This is very important for people, because who cares about your code? No one cares about your code. If the game works, if your game interesting and looks beautiful, people like your game. So when you work in the team, all this very important, I think. But if you work alone, scripting, I think, more important. So of course, better you to use to learn everything. But anyway, I think like you can take some models from Toolbox sometimes, and some assets from Toolbox, but without and learn coding more. And it allows you to make cool games, why not? But if you just work alone and learn only building, so you probably won't create a game. So, like so, this is my point only. Profound, today is the last day of the event at the hatch. Oh, okay. So, by the way, a lot of you guys passed this event or not? Yeah, I think I'd say equally important, but a really awesome scripter overpowers a really great animator and stuff. Yeah, agree. Like, yeah. Anyway, but my point really, I told already. So I think animating requires scripts, but I don't know. Yeah, a little bit. You need to like to call your animations from local scripts. No matter what has happened to you in the past or that is going to your life right now, has no power to keep you from having an amazingly good future if you will walk by faith in yourself or God. Faith wants you to live with victory over loss, so you can pull this faith promises for your life today. What, bro? Okay. Toolbox virus, what? By the way, Profan, my 70-year-old friend died yesterday in a car accident. Oh, bro, he was drunk and crashed into a house corner and was trapped inside and had inner bleeding and died in the hospital. Oh, bro, rest in peace. I'm so sorry about that. Really, bro, that's sad. You're kinda wrong about this. Even if you have the best team in the world, if your scripter is bad, the project will eventually stop updating because script complexity won't linearly increase. And in the end, if you want to change that scripter, it will be even harder because reading that code will be a literal hell on earth. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I didn't thought about that, by the way. Yeah, agree. So yeah, probably you're right. Yeah, but right about that, because really, for example, find to replace if you replace modular replace modeler in your team is easier because this is just models. And for example, if your game has already a code, and imagine like your game works and you hire new scripter instead of old one, and it will be very hard to or he needs to completely rewrite the whole game sometimes, or yeah, of course. So yeah, agree. Hello. Thank you. Not really. Roblox offers a base for engine, unlike some other engines which don't offer any starting base. You can make a simple game, but it just won't have much repeatability. I made my first animation. Good job, bro. Hope you get a really big project because of your underrated work. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. Said hi. Hello, guys. So let's see what is OOP. So okay, let's see here. So we create a character class. This is for monster and for survivor. Yeah. So this is like first module script. Okay. I want to see how it looks in module scripts. Oh yeah, look, it's really separate like so. What the hell, really? Okay, character Lua. This is Lua. So we create okay, let's see some things. Okay, let's try to do all of that stuff. Hi, hello. Hello, hello. Okay, let's go. So we create a folder. Characters. Inside here we create a module script. Character. I don't know why it do a lot of such stuff here. Like I don't need all these unnecessary things. So character. So character. Character dot index equals character. Function character dot new. This is constructor. Anyway, in ChatGPT this is easier to understand for me, because there is a lot of unnecessary things it suggests to me, so it's very hard to understand a lot of code. So here just we need a name. Yeah, just a name, I think, as a parameter. A lot of unnecessary things because your prompt is s. Maybe local self set meta table, so empty table and character self dot name equals name. So let's see what parameters we have for our like so we have. So let's see what we need to have. Name, rarity, quality, health, move speed. So how it works, like self. Okay, name. Let's do step by step all of that stuff. Self dot rarity equals to what is, I don't know. I think we can't set to nil. Yes, nil. It just remove all of that, right? We need to set it like 0 instead of nil. Professor Pencil Top, thank you, hello. Self health 0. So I think we can use nil. Yes, here health speed return self. wait, can we set stat rarities from self? Can we do like so? I don't know. Probably yeah. Stat rarities, health, move speed, quality. Let's try. I think yeah. Oh wait, no. This is the character. This is not. This is. We don't need to make that. This is for monsters and for survivors the same thing, so we don't need to put stat rarities, because for the monster we have different ones here. Okay, this is constructor. And inside here we can create like survivor, a character. What happened? I see you are now using ChatGPT for something like module with object-oriented programming. Yeah. Hello, Albert. Yeah. Because code very difficult to. What the hell? No. Very difficult to handle now, and I wanna use AI to explain how to use OOP instead of that, because really yesterday I understood that it's very difficult to handle all of that without and I want finally to understand this is OOP because I tried a lot of times and really very difficult to handle a lot of code now. So okay, this is survivor character. We use character.new. Okay, let's do like so. Wait, so let's describe what I want to see inside Survivor thing. The final Survivor stat should look like this. Ninja. Profound, there is a toxic in the chat, I think. Who? Tell me. Somebody called somebody. Womp Womp AI. What is Womp Womp? I don't know. What's that, bro? For the smoking, I don't know this word. Means too bad for the smoking. Oh, okay. Okay, thank you guys for explanation. So if I right understand, in character class we create everything which will be for the same for the monsters and for the survivors, right? Like speed, they both have jump power, for example, health and name, like properties. I mean, they all have, and rest stuff like I don't know, rest stuff like health rarity, monster invincible, but so maybe we don't need that stuff. So okay, let's see character. So in character, by the way, take damage also here. Methods that all characters I think I now understand what is OOP. I understand what's that, but it's difficult for me to use it in my actual games. So because I am trying to understand it now. Hello, good sir. Hello, welcome. Okay, let's see. So character, this is here's a function take damage. We have heal. So we can store all for characters inside here. That's great. Get stats, this is just like a print. Yeah, maybe, or no, maybe for some oh, we can use that, I think, for our shop. Yeah, hello, welcome guys. So we can use that for shop, I think. Get stats, character special abilities. Hi, hello guys. Okay, let's see, survivor. So in survivor class we set meta table. I can try to make a hitbox system with OOP, for example. I don't know, bro, how to use that in hitbox system. Probably you can do everything here, I think. Bro, this get stats thing is literally just returning self, but in a shoddy format. What is shady? I don't understand what is shady format. Sketchy. What is sketchy? Oh, yeah. Like we don't take, of course, so we don't need that, because we don't call just this character. This is character stats. We call it from these classes, right? Right. Not even for this, like for ninja, for example. Remember me, bro? Yes, of course. You was yesterday, and a lot of days before. Okay, survivor.new. Yeah, here's also constructor name, health, move speed, quality. Yeah, it's really easy to use now, extremely useful. You can access that self variable outside in another function. So you, the thing, you can use self everywhere, but it's useful for meta tables, as I heard. If you use just in a normal function, it does nothing. How is going with the idea? Great, bro, but now I wanna to rework my game structure for now. So yeah, that's a great idea, but I don't know how to. Yeah, I definitely do that. The idea with which we made yesterday. Here's a little tip: instead of translating the word so that you don't know, Google definition. Oh, okay, you're right. Thank you. So. Okay. How it's called? So this is methods, right? Inside meta tables, like these, all these things. This is methods, or just a function. I think. Asking ChatGPT again. Yeah. And then the function which I need. Wait. Survivors need survivors need open crate. Just watched an hour-long movie. What's a movie? Also, I recommend using ChatGPT at the translation sites, but not ChatGPT doesn't actually translate the text correctly. This is DeepL Translate. This is also AI translator here, so this is better than Google Translate definitely. So because the Google Translate is bad, really, and I use this translator a lot of time, and it's really helpful for me. What the hell? A lot of ninja crates, bro. Survivors need open crate function. Where we set up all stats for them, like so. Your message will exceed the length limit for the chat. What? What the hell? Oh wait, so when you go to the translation app, it's AI. Yeah. Just go to 500k money of 1 million. You can sell. Don't forget, you can sell your this. You can sell your characters also. So I reached the limit. What the hell? Okay. Working on the crates. Okay, let's see. Yeah, working on the crates, but I want to make them reorganize the code, because I don't like how it looks like. And I want to finally understand metatables and OOP. So if we need to separate survivors, maybe not. So maybe they all just have different stats, but they the same. Maybe we don't need to make a class like ninja. Like we have only different ranges. So only ranges changed here. Looks like we can combine them together, ninja and tank. Still waiting for that multi-crate buy. Don't forget, so now you have a lot of money here. In actual game you won't have like 1 million coins, and you won't open like 1000 crates every game. So that's it. We just got to the 2k ninja crates. Oh, by the way, I'm interested if there will be some lucks or not. So let's see. So we can do like class, like just survivor, for example. Did you already add something to the game between this and last stream's end? Not yet, bro. I need to learn a little bit to understand this topic, and it takes some time. I'm not sure I add something today. I mean, in the game, in the actual game. So, but I'll try. I'll be here in 2 minutes, guys. I'm back, my boys. So okay. I'm not sure, maybe we need to create two classes for ninja and tank, because I think maybe we'll make some unique abilities for some of them. About 3k ninja craze, what the hell, bro? Okay. So characters config, something like we have now, right? Right. Rarities, what is rarities? Get random rarity. Like here. I don't know. Oh yeah, if we have something unique for our characters, like stealth for ninja and shield for tank. Maybe really better make different classes for ninja and for crates for tank. So in the future we can easy add something, some unique features inside of them, inside each of them. Okay, let's create. So survivor. There's proof of my 3k ninja craze in the Discord pictures. Let's see, I wanna see that. Okay. What the hell, bro? What the hell? Like it? Yeah, bro, like it. Yeah, of course. So, okay. Maybe instead just please basement crate. Yeah, bro. Hello, I'm Heiner. Maybe instead of create class character, let's create class survivor. Just survivor and monster. Because character... I don't know. But okay, for character we have all of that. For the monsters, rarities, we also will have health health, health, yeah, we also set, but we don't use that. Okay, let's make it like so to better understand what's that. So let's create that survivor, right? Survivor.new. So we need to require first our character. Local character equals require script parent. Yeah, script parent. Yo, what basement do you have? I have destruction. What the hell, bro? So ninja. No, this is survivor. Survivor. Okay, no, this is not survivor. Ninja. Wait. No, let's better create. Instead of character, really, let's create survivor and monster classes. Survivor will be here. Monster. Health, 10,000 maybe, because this is a monster. For everyone we can set that, and maybe instead of that we can even do better, like so. Not only speed, rarity, quality, health, rarity, have quality, name, so rarity, name rarity, self quality equals to 0, health, speed, stat rarities, self, stat rarities, like so. Sup bro, sup random dude, hello, welcome. Okay, this is constructor for our survivor, right? Let's see. Also, what we can have also here. Can also have abilities. I know where we can see that, by the way. We now create controller. Server here. Yeah, that's it. Rarity, rarity, quality, health, speed, rarity, and ability. rarity, rare. Okay, let's separate that. Rare name, rarity, quality. Rarity, quality, health, speed, ability, self ability equals to 0, and stat rarities also self dot textures. Yeah, that's it. This is for survivor, so we have all these parameters. Okay, let's first start with survivor class, and then we do rest stuff. Ninja. Okay, what this is for character. In ninja, let's call it ninja. Local survivor equals script, no, require script.parent. So ninja dot index equals ninja, yeah. Set meta table ninja survivor, yeah, survivor, yeah, survivor. And let's create they want to so I want to store all my yeah, like so. Yes, nice. So I want to organize it like so. So we have a configs where we store all our rarities for these two classes, and this is like basis class, and yeah, it will be better. What are you making? I'm making a game like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors in general. But there is a pinned message in the chat. There is a 4 minutes video what this game about. If you want, you can watch. But in general, this is hide and seek with random abilities for survivors each level. So that's it. Pinned message in the chat, 4 minutes video if you want. Okay, so we have a config. We'll have a config with our ninjas, stats and rarities, and tank stats and rarities. Just it will be better to store. I'll go and watch the 4 minutes video. Okay, bro. Okay. So and here is. Here is. Can you make monster climb and why I'm slow as a monster? Because he was rebalanced yesterday. But he has abilities for that. If you're not on the phone, of course. Wait, so we even don't need to do all that stuff? We don't need to do all that stuff. We can do all the stuff in Survivor class, by the way. So we can set random parameters here instead of just do it in this class. In Ninja class, we just make any things like, I don't know, silent walk or something like so. So only things for ninjas. What percentage do you think you already made the game? What percentage? I don't know, bro. I don't know. No any deadlines anymore, and no. If you want, why is it so? There's a pinned message in the chat. There's 4 minutes video why there is only no any deadlines anymore. Okay, so we can do all this stuff inside this class. You think you will add my idea today? No, bro. Today, no, because I need to understand OP and this means I need to rewrite the half of my game. So that's it. Can I make you monster? Cause pretty though, I guess. Climb, bro. This is difficult more. You're Russian? No, I'm not Russian. I'm Ukrainian, bro. So okay. We even don't need to make classes like ninja for now. Let's close the ninja. We'll make it later. So we can do really in this survivor class all the stuff. What we can do? Let's see. In survivor class. So we just can get random rarity, so we can copy that. Can you give me 10 million more money? No, bro, I can't. There is no option to give you additional money. I even can't, because I can't buy anything anymore, bro. You can sell your crates, this is first, and you can sell your survivors. When you open the crates, some of them can cost even more than your crate, so maybe you'll be richer than before. I don't know if you're so lucky. So you can sell, all depends on rarity, on quality, and other parameters. Yo, you added sell, nice. Yeah, bro, yeah, there is. And some of them, for example, if you sell superior one, this is the highest rarity in this game. If you sell superior survivor, you'll get a lot of money for that. Like crate costs like, I don't know, like 200 multiple times or something like so. Maybe you should need to add multi-select at cell. Yeah, I'll add, bro. I also thought about that. Filter will be here. Multi-select will be here, but later. Okay, create controller. Broski. Yeah, bro. I bought something for 200 and Epic is just 400 money. Because this is only Epic, bro. If I'm not wrong, if you sell superior, you buy crate for 200 and sell like for 20,000 or 40,000 money. So there's a lot of parameters. If you get superior with highest quality, it costs a lot. So quality also, bro. Not only epic, not only rarity. Not only a rarity influence for selling price, also quality. Quality, this is a very important parameter. It multiplies your price of your survivor. Are you using data stores or profile service? Profile store I use. This is based on profile service, but a bit better. Data stores, I tried to use that in my previous game, but I faced a lot of issues with that, like my data doesn't store properly, like I lost my data for some reason. So I used profile service, this is a good one. And now profile store, this is also based on profile service. So I recommend you to use profile service and profile store. Maybe even profile store, because it's easier to set up even. Okay. What is modules here? Tools. modulus. It will be modules. $1K just for epic tongue, bro. What the hell, bro? I told you, quality very important parameter here. Quality, probably he has low quality, so epic tongue, but very low quality. If he has low quality, he costs less, much less. I can sell my superior tongue for just 7K. What is quality of that, bro? What is quality? Tell me what the quality of superior tongue. Quality is 0.1. The highest quality is 1, so this is worst one, almost the worst one. If he has like 0.9 quality, he costs much more, like, I don't know, 20 or 40k. So quality really do a lot of stuff here. Quality, this parameter, it's influences on how your skin look like. Like he has the closest one, the less he has stains, the less he has scratches on his, and that's why it's very important. So if quality will be 1, it will be absolutely clean skin, without any stains, without any scratches, and that's all. That's why so the quality, the nearest to 1, the higher price to the higher price. Should I go for the better superior tongue? Yeah, of course, bro. And don't forget, bro, don't forget, as you sell it in the game, later I wanna make a trade like marketplace here. So you can sell, for example, your superior tank for 7k in the game, but it'll be like immediately. Or you can go to marketplace inside the game, go to community market, and place and play and sell your superior. You can set the million one, whatever you want, bro, whatever you want. So this is just if you don't want to wait a lot of time until the people buy your survivor, you just can sell inside back to the game, and that's all. Not just give you some money, but you can set any price you want on the community market later. So that's why I do like so. So in the game you can sell all the stuff like fast, like without any like immediately, instead of just waiting until some people buy it for you. I'm going for the better superior tank right now. Okay, bro, okay, what's the game he's making? There is a 4-minute video in a pinned message in the chat. You can watch what this game about, but in general this is hide and seek with random abilities for survivors each level, like so. Okay. I totally recommend profile services. They're better and prevent data leaks. I recommend, bro, profile store. I use profile store. They it's almost the same like profile service, service, but it's easier to set up. So this is almost the same. Yeah, data store. I also. This is not a bad idea. Not a good idea. Give it up, dude. Thank you very much, my friend. I like the idea, but does it have to be procedurally generated maps? Yes. Yes, it's already here. It's already procedurally generated maps here. No, you don't have to explain to. Okay, but that's just the first step explanation for profile services. Any evidence you're using profile services? What? Bro, you think I spend time on make evidences to prove I use profile services, bro? I don't have time on you. Okay, so I think we can just put all of that function inside our survivor class and just set all the parameters here, I think. Okay, let's maybe let's just copy all that function. Just found the equal 6 equality superior ninja. That's good, bro, that's good, but if you get like common one, like you get 0.6 superior ninja, try to sell that, how much it costs, and let's see how it costs. Mooncat. Okay, function survivor. Set stats. Please post a video about your game releases and we go out no buy. Keep it up. Thank you. Bro, I do have 316 ninja crash. What the hell, bro? What the hell? Do you have a working gameplay? You can join and play. Mooncat, by the way, in the game, probably you can play with him. This game in open playtest, so everyone will, you guys can join and play anytime. I'll share a link. So can join, guys, but this is PvP game, so you need minimum two players to play for that. Okay, let's see. It's a big buggy. Yes, because it's open test. What does a passive speed up do? Increases your speed, but you don't need to press this ability. Hi, hello. No, bro, I don't want to test the game because I need to do that stuff. There's a Malik, he's wanna test the game probably. Hello, hello, Yelters. Welcome. Stat name, what is stat name? For stat name, stat config and parent config stats. I mean, the game works except for like 1 or 2 small bugs. Yeah, bro, yeah, I know there's not 1 or 2 bugs. But this is test version now, this is not released version, and of course I'm working on it. So, yo, why don't you use twin service for the animation for the button? It's so easy and looks very good. Have you thought about doing this? Of course, bro, of course, this is a very important thing, but this is not the thing I need to focus that. So this is not what I need to focus. I need to make a strong basis first and then all visuals. Like, Yeah, of course, all will be here, don't worry about that. But if back-end things work bad, all this stuff unnecessary. I don't like anyway. Let's see how we can store crates config. But the visual is so easy and more player would like to test your game. I don't need more player to test your game, bro. Because this is you understand, guys, that this is test version, but some new guys who doesn't know what's that, they just joined the game and some of them probably thought this is the final version of the game, and I don't need a lot of people to test it now. I have enough people, so a lot of people just play this once and skip this game forever. That's it. It'll be before release, of course. I'll make all this stuff and people join and see all this stuff when I really need to attract more people to play the test version before release. Yo, hello. What's up, what's up? Mm-hmm. By the way, that 4-minute video was pretty good. The editing style is perfect for a short. Thank you, thank you. Mm-hmm. Okay. And You look too old to be playing Roblox. Yes, bro, I'm 50. What it's like to build in public? I'm a developer too, and I was thinking of doing that. What's like to build in public? You mean on live streams, or what do you mean? If you wanna make your project, if you don't have a lot of money for advertisement and to promote your game, so this is the first thing after deleting the hello world word line you need to do in yeah, like showing your progress every step of the way. This is, bro, if you don't have a lot of money, or at all you don't have money, you need to do that as soon as possible if you want to make your game successful, because you need just you need to show, attract people to your projects. If you, of course, if you have a lot of money to promote your game, that's okay, you can do that. But if no, you need to tell the people your ideas, and that's it. To build audience, yeah. And for me, it was I spent for my first game like 1.5 years, and for me it was sometimes really like boring, and not only boring, like now there's a lot of people who sometimes help me, like tell me about some features I never know if I do it on just alone. So I highly recommend you to use all the tools you have, like YouTube. If you have TikTok, it's good if you make TikTok videos. So any things will be helpful to build your actual audience. So it will be great. This is my opinion, of course. So because this is absolutely free, and you don't need any money for that, you can't do that. You can do that even without a camera, without. Okay, if you have a microphone, this is enough. Microphone. So that's it. Hello, Profan. How are you? Great to see you. Great to see you too, Ali. Hello, bro. I'm good, bro. I'm good. Thank you. Good to see you too. So, okay. What I want to tell more here. Yeah, let's see. So we just can create. Do you think the project is almost finished? No, bro, no. No, the project needs to rebuild. And I currently looking how to do that. So yeah, guys, who wanna test? Here is the link I sent. Game in open test, so you're welcome to test that. But you need minimum 2 players. Don't forget about that. So join if you want. He's from Ukraine. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Crazy stuff. Yeah, bro. Yeah. So guys, who wanna test the game, link in the chat. Wait, let me see what I did here. Really? Wait. So health rarities. Oh yes, so we repeat all of that, right? Now, yeah, that's why it was different before, because I use for health. So we can combine these. Look, this is absolutely the same blocks. We have steps, we have minimum and maximum, like so. This is absolutely almost the same things, like so, and we can combine them together. We don't need a lot of code here, like so. I'm not sure if this is a usual bug, but I was only one who couldn't move or even open the chat. Where it is in actual game? I don't know what's that. What the hell? Maybe there's intermission or something like so. Play button disappears when canceling. Yeah, I know. Try to open inventory and close that, or open the shop and close that, and it appears again. Yeah, I know about this bug. Yo, Profan, today I'm finishing my simple chair hobby, and even I found an investor who worked with the grow garden owner, and he invests 1k Robux into it, and we share profit 50-50. Great, bro, great, bro. But very suspicious, bro. Be careful that I hope this is not a scammer, bro. So because look, this is who worked with grow garden, bro. This is sounds very strangely for me. Be careful if so maybe this guy is scammer default. I told you. So be careful, because I've already heard that, oh bro, I worked with Tower Defense Simulator, I worked with Grow Garden. They always, bro, scammers always tell you the names of the games. This is most popular in the Roblox, so be careful about that. And really, if it's true, that's okay, but don't let him don't let access to your game. So yeah, an actual game, but I think that's loading issue. Loading screen would be nice. Yeah, we'll be loading screen later. All visuals will be a bit later, guys. Yeah. Do you have an idea? How could I master data store? I don't know. I struggle with it. Better Ali use not data store. Use better profile store. This is better for you. So really, Ali, use better. Read about profile service or profile store. Better profile store. This is much better than data store, because and see some tutorials. There is a lot of tutorials on developer forum, or if it's easy for you to find on YouTube. Also hope so, but if he scans, I will disable my own OB system for him, and the game simply won't work for him. I have a wait listing system. Okay, bro, if you don't have access to your code, that's great. So be careful about that. Why is better? You use it also, bro. Everyone, almost everyone use that. Yes, data stores is worse because I had problems like data stores just lost some data during teleporting in other place, and yeah. So profile service is model made by some users, is very efficient, but you can learn data stores from forums. Yeah, profile service, this is a model, but this is better. This is not there is no issues that you can probably face with data stores. So yeah, profile service use data store service. Yeah, but I don't have any data leaks and losing my data by using profile service and on profile store. So yeah. So yeah, really better learn better use the profile store. I recommend to you, Ali. And GPT can help you a little, but not more than 38%. You must understand how it actually works. Yeah, bro, agree. I use that because I don't understand the tutorials, how meta tables and OOP works, because I need to see examples for my actual code, because I understand what it does, but I don't know how to implement it in my game. This is very hard. I need to do it a couple of times to understand how I actually can use that. Because like they do something, okay, we have an animal class, we have dog class, okay, that's great, but I don't understand how it compared to my survivor crates, for example. So yeah, for studying, this is good for me. So today I decided to do that because I watched a lot of tutorials about OP and meta tables, and I don't know anyway how to properly use that. And now it helps me to study. This is not just to make the whole work for me, of course. Yeah, since it's well made, people don't have to modify it a lot. Yeah, agree. Okay, let's try to do something different. Let's remove this. Me too, but when my friends see that I use it, they think that I don't understand scripting, and they think I just copy. Bro, you don't need to care about that. If it helps to you, just do your stuff. Don't forget, this is if your friends just tell you like you don't understand scripting, bro. Don't forget, the players who play your game don't care about how you made this game. And really, you think players who join, I don't know, Grow Garden or other games, they think like, oh, this game, I hope this game is not made by using AI. Bro, no one cares about that. So forget, if some tools helpful to you, use that tools. If that's not helpful to you, and you don't need to prove for someone like any stuff. Just do things. I don't understand really this thing like, oh, you are not coder, you use AI or not. Why you don't use AI, bro? Who cares? Who cares? If it's helpful to you, I don't mind if you use AI. I don't mind if you don't use AI. I don't care about that. And you also don't need to care about that, because this is only tools. This is anyway not make a game instead of you. You need to understand what they made. But if it's helpful to you, why not to use that? Why not to use? So don't worry, bro. Profile service makes things 10x faster to make it more secure. I don't know about faster and secure, but I know about I know have any issues with my data with my losing data, because when I make my tower defense game, there was a problem. Like, I equipped some towers, it stores in data store, and I go to the elevator, I teleport in I teleport in my main game, and after that, for example, I equipped 3 towers, I teleport, and it shows me like I teleported with only 1 towers for some reason. I don't know why. And so that's it. With profile services, I never faced like so, and so why I recommend that. I don't know about faster and secure. I don't know about that, because I don't know how it works for real. I don't know how profile stores, data stores work completely, but I just set up it for me, and that's work, and that's it. So I like to make other things, not to. You don't need to understand the whole things if you don't like that. So you can, of course, it will be better, but if it's difficult for you, just if you can set up it and forget about that, so why not to do that? Why not to do that? So you can use profile service. This is module, so this is just a model also other people create, and that's it. You're so underrated. I mean, you should have more sub. Thank you very much, bro. I'll be later, just need to keep working. Hello, I'm back. Welcome back, bro. What module are you making? I wanna make I wanna separate all my survivors and monster classes, because now the script is so messy. So, by the way, how much percent you have done of the game? I don't know, bro. No any deadlines anymore. I don't know. I can't predict that, because I don't. Because always I face some problems. Like now, I decided to remake my game structure. So I don't know, bro. I don't know. Can't you just transfer data through the teleport service? You can, but the problem, data store stores your your data. For example, if you even left the game, it stores your data, and teleport server, if you disconnect, you lose your data probably. Instead of saving it in one game and just pulling it from other game, you just pass the data you want to pull anyway from that game. You can do that. Why not? Yeah, you can. But look, you left from the game, right? In lobby, you equipped some new towers, left from the game. You lost all your data. So that's it. I'll be here in 2 minutes, guys. I'm back. Hello, FS, welcome. Long time no see. Yo bro, are you there? Yes. So see you guys later. See you bro, see you. Okay. Let's see what we can unite together. So that's rarities. So what the game? My game or where this bug? Like you stuck or got kicked? What are you doing? I'm making a game. There is a pinned message in the chat. You can see the video of what this game about if you want. So okay, let's see. We create rarities ranges function. What's the game you kicked? Kicked again? What's the game? Rare structure in the map? What? What's that? Hello, hello, welcome, bro. Do you have Twitch? Yeah, link in the description. So if so, I will join there. Yeah, link in the description on my Twitch. Okay, let's close all unnecessary things like so. We don't need that. kind of odds in some parts of the map. That's what I mean. Anyway, doesn't understand you. So I think we call this the methods which create. Okay, let's copy our create controller. Let's duplicate that. Let's create controller. Let's open that. And okay, let's create a function. Function. Let's see. Create controller ranges. Are you using OP? Yeah, I'm trying, bro. I'm trying. Because I've tried of messy code. Yeah, I'm trying. So ranges, just what is min max layers, and where we call build ranges. Let's see. Generate value. Build ranges. Like so, I think we can copy that, but we need to build ranges for each parameter, like stat or item. Yeah, we can create the function just where we store our item. Like we get some item and find in the config all the stuff. Why do you define local function inside of a method? Where? Where it is. Now let's create local. Hi, it said hi, hello. Rarities, just a table. And let's make rarities in open crate. Like so. Here, let rarities common, rarities rare, rarities epic, epic. This is old one. This is not the actual script. This is old one. I remade all of that stuff. So this is rare here, and rarities legendary. rarities epic. And return that. So we call that function to get our rarities for each item. Creates config. Let's open creates config. Make a secret tier or glitched tier. It's already here. It's already here. Called superior. But it shouldn't be secret, to be honest, because Roblox terms of use requires to define all the chances for random paid items, so I can't make it hidden. Okay, let's go configs, creates config. So ranges, item. So we don't need, by the way, we can make local function this, why not? We use it only here, by the way. Local functions, function ranges. No, rarities. Rarities. So let's see. So we can get rarities in our creates config. We go here, create config, item, maybe ninja crate. We go here, rarities. Rarities count. What's that? Wait. If creates config item rarities. Oh, this is like a custom, like if we do like so. Like so. Hi, hello. Let's copy this function. Randomize rarity. Random rarity. Hello, you developer of Roblox. Yeah, hello, welcome. Random rarity. Wait, let's see. You have accent on Russian. You're Russian, not Russian. I'm Ukrainian. This is not right, by the way. This is absolutely wrong. Yeah, because yeah, we definitely need to do like so, because this is not right. Because if just min plus step. Oh wait, or wait, I wanna see that. Maybe that's right. Like this is step 1, this is step 2, this is step 3. What the hell? Maybe that's right, by the way. Looks like better even. Because anyway, we multiply always our maximum step. But anyway, we need to make a minimum. We need to make a minimum, like rarities common paste here, like I made. Okay. Yo, what game are we creating? What game are we creating? This is a game like murder mystery, but with random abilities for survivors. There's a pinned message in the chat, guys. There's 4 minutes video. If you want, you can watch what this game about, if you want. But in general, hide and seek with random abilities for survivors, each level. So you, as survivor, collect XP orbs all over the map on procedural generated map, and then just monster who also is player chasing you and tries to kill along 5 minutes. So I recommend you to watch the video if you want, in pinned message in the chat. Only 4 minutes and you understand well. Oh, that's cool. Thank you, my friend. So local step equals common. Wait, what's that? Rarities min plus step. Oh no, this is built I made this as rarities. This is not the same thing. Yeah, this is rarities. We also need to make ranges. Ranges. And this one we take from here. Yeah, like so we made. Yeah. Let's copy that like I did before. Developer can ban people. What? Of course. I'm a solo developer, bro. This is full my project. Okay, let's copy that for the first. Okay, let's replace that. Okay, ranges it will be. Hi, hello guys, hello. Okay, I see there's a lot of new people. Let me guys show what this game is. Let me show. So by the way, there is a 4 minutes video in pinned message in the chat. You can watch what this game about if you want. But I'll show you also what this game is. So here is a procedural generated map. So every time you play on the new map, and you as survivor run all over the procedural generated maps and collect these XP orbs. Then you hit upgrade and boom, there is a 3 random abilities each level. For example, invisibility, double jump, sprint, I don't know, dash, and so on. each level you can pick one of them, and there's already 23 abilities in the game, and monster who also is player chasing you and tries to kill along 5 minutes. So the monster is pretty dangerous, and during the time he became dangerous and faster. So the one way how you can avoid to face the monster, this is by using the abilities. So now here is a procedural generated map. Let's start a new game and let's see how the map looks like. So let's start again and let's see how the map looks like. So monster also is player. Monster has his own abilities, and probably I'll make the monster also get his random abilities for dealing damage. Look, the map looks like so, as you see. By the way, this is jump pads. They has cooldown, so I stepped, and for all people they disabled for a while, for 10 seconds if I'm not wrong. So you can jump, and after that it goes to cooldown. Let's start a new game. The UI are so good. Thank you bro. What is the name of the game? I'll share a link. Live Light it's called. So now the game looks like absolutely different. Like before there is no in the middle of this thing, now it's here. Let's start again and I'll show you again. So also abilities have also oh look, there's a crane, we don't have a crane before at all. Abilities also have rarities. So for example, you can get some common abilities, but from time to time you can be, if you will be lucky, you'll get like legendary ones, you'll get like rare, epic, and so on. So that's it. So look, the map looks absolutely different. So every time it creates like a new one. Also, to get a new survivor, for example, I play as a normal guy now. To be as, if I wanna be a ninja, for example, there is a ninja survivor. Also, you need to open the crate in the lobby, and the feature of that, after each opening crate, you get random stats for your survivors. Like for example, ninja has range for health between I don't remember, something like from 60 to 90, and move speed from 20 to 35, for example. So when you open the crate, there's also some rarities for your survivors, and you can get survivors with different stats. So like so, guys. So like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors, and that's it. By the way, there is a 4-minute video. I anyway highly recommend you to watch that to better understand what the hell is happening here. So that's it, my boys. Is it close to being released or no? I don't know. No any deadlines anymore. Why is it so? Watching the video in the pinned message in the chat if you want to know why there is no any deadlines anymore. Bro, how can I get unbanned? You're a dev of Roblox, can you help me? You think I'm a Roblox platform developer? I'm not Roblox platform developer. I'm a Roblox developer of my own games. I'm not working on Roblox in Roblox team, as you think like so. So make speed buffs. I already made, bro. I already made. So who wanna try this game? You're welcome. Now the game is in open test. I'll share a link in the chat. You can join the game if you want, but to play, guys, there is no AI. So to play you need minimum 2 players. Minimum 2 players, don't forget about that. minimum 2 players. But don't worry if you on the different servers. I've already made a cross-server matchmaking, so if one guy on the one server, the other guy on the on the other server, you can just hit play and you can find each other and play together. So in the whole game should be minimum 2 players. So that's it. So like so. I'll be here in 2 minutes, guys. So, okay. So let's see ranges. Build ranges. Rarities. It returns rarities. So let's check again. Survivor, Saturday Builder, it creates config. Okay, so we have that. Survivor, this is class. Oh, so create name we call, for example, here. Nice. Now class constructor. Create name like ninja crate, and set meta table. I'm sorry I couldn't join in Twitch. Don't worry about that. That's okay, bro. That's okay. You can watch whenever you want. You couldn't get verification code. Also, you're on the vertical streams, on the short stream. You can join. There is a second one stream, def not noob. There is a full size stream. So there is a full size stream, so in the vertical maybe not so comfortable. When cancel search, whole search UI is disappearing. When searching and you go into other menu, shop, etc., you can do multiply searching. Yeah, I know about that. By the way, why you don't just make a recreation of Grow Garden, bro? Just steal their game? You think this is a good idea? That's better and easy, you know? But I don't want to make the game just because I want to earn money, bro. I want to make a game which I like, not just for money. So, and there is a lot of, you think not a lot of people, you think that's not a lot of people try to remake like Repo, like Grow Garden, bro. A lot of people just wanna steal these games and or remake these games. I don't like this approach. This is not my. Yo, Profan, I just managed to fix all bugs in my OB game. Great, good job, bro. Keep it up. That's nice. That's good, bro. That's good. Keep it up. Hope you get 100k USD. We'll see, bro. Just need hard work and all will come how it should be. I have a crown on YouTube. This is Top Fun's crown, who when you write something in the chat or you made, I don't know, maybe made some activity, there is you get some XP, and the more you XP have, the higher you and the higher place you have. For fun, let me give you an advice though. It's okay to have a cash grab as your first game and make money and not only passion to fund your future game. So I don't fully agree with you here. Just my opinion, so nothing against you. Yeah, agree, bro. But Ccapative told me about like steal the whole game, like Grow Garden, like made the same game. So, and I'm not focusing on money. I'm focusing on making a good games. I want to make good games, not just only for cash. So if you want to do like so, I don't judge you. I don't judge anyone. But I told like my point about this. I don't. I want to make just game because I like to do that, and I can't not to do that. Yeah. So just if I wanna earn some money, probably I'll make something different. Definitely. So I agree, your game needs to be something you want to make, but keep in mind that it should also be something that players want. I will agree though that stealing is a very bad approach. Yeah, of course, bro, of course. Yeah, of course, but imagine, this is only my point about that. If you make the game that you don't like, it will be pretty hard to you to do that, because when you dislike what you do, this is really, you need a lot of struggling to make that good, really. So you don't, when you don't like that, and yeah, this is of course, some people can do that, some people can steal the game, some people can remake the game. That's okay, this is their option, they can do that. But I told about me, like, I wanna make my projects, like, which I really in the future I join this game and oh, that's a good game, I want to play that from time to time. That's it. Or maybe not from time to time, maybe every day I want to play that. So I want to make the game interesting for me and for other players. If you make a simple cash grab, at least make it unique and fun, in my opinion. And your game is definitely very fun and unique. Thank you, bro. Yes, true, absolutely, bro. Yeah, no, you don't need to make it unique and fun. You can do whatever you want. Like, but usually cash grab games, they just I don't know. Maybe just like people do only for cash grab, not only for that. For me, this is hard to make like so. So I don't judge anyone. So really, if this is like I told about AI, I told about other things, told about hate. Who cares, guys? Who cares what you do? Really, if you think someone cares what you do, like if you really don't do something really bad, if this is like a tool for you to future success, and you don't do something bad for other people, that's anyway, this is like a tools only for you. So you can just make some dumb easy, simple games, just like a cash grab. This is like a tool for you to earn money maybe and to make your dream project. Why not? So as I said, as always, just use all tools you have. Don't worry about what some people think about you. Really, what the hell? Who cares? No one cares, because they remember you, not they remember you about for your best projects anyway later. Of course, if you not do something really bad and something really weird, and yeah, that's can break your career. But if you do something just people anyway will remember you by your best projects. That's it. So okay, let's finally do that stuff. Messages don't appear, I don't know why. I don't know, bro, I don't know. Maybe YouTube some blocking some things. Okay, let's test this thing in new one project. I wanna see that. Local function, randomize rarity. Local chances table equals like so. Randomize rarity and chances, it will be the table. Let's search picture on Roblox a bit later, bro, after the stream, all that stuff. Hi, hello. Okay, let's copy the chances from here. Where is it? Okay, main game, we don't need it now. It's this one. Creates config. What are you doing? This is a game like Murder Mystery, but with random abilities for survivors each level. Not Murder Mystery, hide and seek with the random abilities for survivors. There is a pinned message in the chat. You can watch 4 minutes video in here what this game about, if you want, of course. Chances table. Chances table. And here, instead of math random dot new next number, and put 100. Print roll. And print while true do task. Wait 2 seconds. Let's see. Yeah, for chances table. Okay, name, rarity, name, percent. Whoa, you're using now ChatGPT. That's great. It definitely boosts your speed. Only for explain to me OOP, because really I don't understand how it works. Percent. For what we need this thing? Yeah, ChatGPT helped me learn a lot. It's like having a coach beside you. Yeah, because I watch tutorials about that a lot, and this has helped me just to explain the same tutorials, but by using my cases, because it's pretty difficult to understand how to use that properly. I don't know if we use that role. Wait. Return name. Okay, what the hell? Weird chance. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So it can if you use pairs. Wait, what the pairs? What the hell? Why would I use it again? You can also try AI Studio by Google. You can stream your screen and like talking to the AI in real time. What the hell, really? That's interesting. I think I don't use ChatGPT at all or any AI. Just when I really stuck a lot of times, like meta tables. This is difficult to understand for me. Okay, let's make the table like so. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Making RNG system, yeah, bro, yeah. I'm not. I wanna remake the whole system of the game because I wanna use OP for that. Because yesterday I faced a lot of. I struggled with a lot of problems, really, because it's very difficult to handle all that code. It's so messy. I want to make as many module scripts as possible for each classes, like to easy control the whole game instead of store everything in the server scripts. I thought to start using that in my next game, but I decided, like, why not to learn it now and make this game really easy to handle in the future. So why not? Okay. Do get it now how OP works? Yes, but needs now implement. Yes, I've got it, but I need to implement that in my game properly. So where is our create controller? Great chances. Okay, I don't like how it looks like. Let's do it like so, better. Chances table, okay. Randomize rarity function. Chances. So how it works? Have you read patterns in refactoring Guru? Not yet, bro. Yo, hello. Oh, I've got it. What's that? What the hell? This is genius. What the hell? What if we do that? What if we do that? Chances. What is chances, by the way? It will definitely help you trust once you get how OP works, because it will shift your mind to procedural to object programming. It will shift your mind to procedural to... Okay, bro. So, but I need to first to do this, because pretty hard to understand this sometimes. Try searching on YouTube a dependency injection. What's that? Let's see. It's mindset technique. Let's see. Okay, bro. Okay, bro, thank you. I'll watch after the stream. Okay, let's go. We get 87. Common cumulative 8. Amazing. This is genius to do like so. This is absolutely amazing. But this one, we probably don't need that. Okay, I've got it. This is amazing, really. This is much better than I thought. So, 2 minutes, I'll be here, guys. I'm back. So we can place that. Yeah. Let's create a module also. Chances. Chance randomizer. No, a rarity randomizer. Like so. Yes, and we can call that from anywhere. So rarity randomizer, and we can just call that and create controller. Local rarity randomizer. Okay, let's create a local game get service. Just wrap my head around the code. This is G. What? Replicate the storage, local modules. Replicate the storage. There. Oh, no. Oh, replicate the storage modules. Then local rarity randomizer equals modules. No, require. Require modules rarity randomizer. It's fun working with module script, right, bro? Yeah, bro, absolutely. What type of game are you doing? This is like a hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors. So there is a pinned message in the chat, optical. There's a 4 minutes video what this game about. If you want, you can see. But in general, hide and seek with random abilities for survivors each level. Randomize, and here is chances table. We pass. Yeah, this is how we call that. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, let's create a folder, characters. So these classes will be more organized, like so, characters. Yeah, nice. So rarity randomizer. Okay. And we can use this model from everywhere. That's great. So let's see next. Can I see your monster module? It's empty, bro. It's empty. I just started only made survivor, like constructor here, but this is not like it should be. Here we call from crates conf. We in crate controller we call here all these stats, I think. So in constructor we just make survivors. Monster module is empty now. You let some module script handling other stuff. What do you mean let module script handling on other stuff? This is OP, bro. This is OP. Yeah. Module script should work. Maybe use dependencies, don't hard code the data. What do you mean like dependencies? This is not okay, guys. Okay, you think this is the final stuff? Maybe this is not the final stuff. This is doesn't exist for now. Let me just first make a create controller and then all of that stuff. Those two module script handling other stuff. I don't understand what are you asking. I'm back. Welcome back. I thought that is your final. No, bro. No. I just tried to make a constructor for that. This is I just trying to understand what is OOP. Okay. Hey Profan, I want to know how do you make the lobby? Where? See, now you're exploring OP, that's great. Yeah, bro, yeah, I'm trying. In MTD, just built this on by using my hands, bro. And I don't understand what a question, or what do you mean, like code or buildings in MTD? Mm-hmm. Okay. Like the plane, how do you make it? I already have my system, but I want to combine it with yours so that I got smarter and the game cooler. I just use twin service and C-frames. Just there's I place some points, and just the plane moves by changing by using twin service and by changing that C-frame of the plane module, so that looks like it flies, like so. When you get a grasp of OP and shift your mindset working with objects, I recommend you learn strategy pattern. It's a behavioral pattern that you can encapsulate logic in one class. And like how it find strategy pattern, behavioral pattern that you can encapsulate logic in one class. Bro, very hard very hard words for me. What's that? Oh cool, I don't know how to do it and I'm not on my laptop because tomorrow I go to school, so maybe learn something for the next week. Okay, this is not too hard, bro. You just need to move a module primary part by using C-frames and twins, so you find a lot of info about that. And it will be not hard for you, I think. No, I understand. You are at first, I don't know this term, working with object-oriented. Yeah, bro, I learned everything without some things I really don't know how they properly named. But so sometimes my friends programmers told me like, oh, so you use this thing? Bro, what's that? I even doesn't know, but I use that from time to time. So I prefer practice a lot, and sometimes I really don't know that I use some these scary words for me. So that's it. Okay. Yeah, bro, you can search OOP mindset or OOP anatomy. Okay, let's try. Back, dude, remember me? No? Maybe you joined for a very long time. Okay, let's see. How's the development? Great, thank you. How much time do you need to learn scripting to a good level? I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm not at a good level to tell you about that. But I've already spent more than 1.5 year for that, and there's a lot of things I need to learn. Just use ChatGPT. Okay, let's see. By the way. You need help, dude? No. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, I know that, bro. I already read about that. Yeah, I've got it. This is what you told me on the previous stream. But the problem of that, this is really the problem. I understand why it's useful and why it's good and how it works, but I don't know how to properly implement it in my game. So that's it. Okay. You can implement it by using Bootstrapper, bro. Again, scary words. I don't know even what's that. I don't know what's that. Okay, I just need some time, guys, to understand. Bootstrapper lets you wear classes. I don't know what's that, bro. You can search Bootstrapper. Okay, let's try. Okay. Live light. But you need 2 minimum players to play. And this is test version, don't forget about that. Okay, let's close that. Dependency injection. You can try like your question, then ask ChatGPT, include an analog that problem is solved, and convince why I should use it. Okay, let's try. I have a theme. By the way, I see the people are making create system, but I don't know what is happening. Like try this what strapper and dependency injection includes analogies. What problem it solves, and convince me why should I use it. No bro, this is not I need to see this is I need to see that in my case how I can use that. Cloud for 0, bro. I've already reached the limit today, so Cloudy, it's already done for today. Hello, AD coding. Here's the link, guys. Who wanna test? But you need 2 minimum players. I don't understand. I completely doesn't understand what it does. Really, it's before I understood what we do, like here. Now I completely doesn't understand what we do here. So these things I understood. This thing I completely doesn't know how to use that. Like, because they use meta tables and all of that stuff, and I even doesn't understand completely meta tables, and this is, what the hell is that? I don't know. But Profan doesn't get confused by our Indonesian language. Okay, okay, bro. Okay, so you anyway talk with each other, so don't worry about that. If you want to create system, use a strategy pattern. Try search it. Is the pattern that will let you prototype a system in isolation. Strategy pattern. Okay. What's that? Domcot did a tutorial about metatable. Why you don't watch that? Bro, I watched a lot of tutorials. A lot of tutorials, like, I don't know, 10 tutorials on developer forum, a lot of tutorials. And it's very hard to implement. This is easy to understand some things, but hard to implement when you have actual game. The interface ChatGPT it's like the construct, and from that construct you will create a concrete strategy like you create system. Okay, let's see. The strategy pattern is a way to organize your code so you can easily swap different methods or algorithms for doing something without changing the main part uses them. Easily swap different methods or algorithms for doing something without changing the main part that uses them. You want your create system to create survivors, but you don't want different ways of creating them. You want create system to create survivors, but you want different ways of creating ways. Sometimes survivors have normal stats, sometimes survivors are rare and stronger. Maybe later you want legendary survivor with super stats. Instead of writing all that logins inside your create system, you can separate modules called strategies, each with its own way to make survivors. But I don't understand why it's good. Really, it looks like not good. Because look, I don't have I have like range stats and only rarities for that. I don't like, it suggests me to just create for each rarities I don't know. Strategy pattern is family of algorithm you can swap at runtime. What it means? What the hell? Strategy pattern is family of algorithm you can swap at runtime. It's useful for making logics differently, like skill system, AI, behavior, pet guns, or any system you want. But I just need to set the certain parameters for one survivor, and that's all. I don't need like health 30. I don't know why I need to use that here. I gotta go now. See you, bro. Thanks for being here. Why not to use Cloudy? Because I reached the limit for today, bro. This is reached the limit. I can't use it anymore today. Strategy is always paired with factory pattern. Bruh. Factory pattern manages the object creating like it's wiring your strategy. Oh, so there I found something new, and there's factory strategy inside this strategy, inside other strategy. I even doesn't understand how meta tables work completely, and this is very hard to understand for me. So like, okay guys. Okay guys, I think I need just to do it on my own, really. So we'll see tomorrow, and I'll try to learn it on my own, because really very hard to understand. Now there's a lot of things. I'll try to learn it on myself a little bit today, because I really my mind, my brain is overheated already. There's a lot of things so I started today at the morning. I understood what I want to achieve. Now I doesn't understand at all this stuff, so I don't see any purposes of all of that. So yeah, and when I start to find something new, I find something new inside, and I just want to help you. Yeah, bro, yeah, I understood, and thank you for that. Yeah, I understand, but it's pretty hard when I doesn't understand the basis of that. Pretty hard to do all of that. So yeah, thank you for help anyway. I understood that this is important and very useful, but I need some time on my own when I study alone. And yeah, so better guys, we'll see tomorrow. I'll really need some time on my some time alone. So thank you guys who being today on the stream, and we'll see you tomorrow, my boys. Thank you for help and for playtesting. So bye bye.